Hey guys, a lot of our customers from India have been asking us to integrate with Razorpay, as it provides a lot of different payment methods that are specific in India, and we have finally added Razorpay to our platform. In this video, we will look at how to quickly set up your Razorpay integration with Whautomate, and look at some of the possible use cases quickly. Yeah, let's dive into the demo. The first thing is you will have to authorize your Razorpay account. It's pretty straightforward. All you have to do is go to integrations, and if you scroll down, you should see Razorpay. Click on connect, and here we have the authorization button, connect with Razorpay. Click on that, and it should take you to the authorization page from Razorpay. Let's quickly click on authorize, and it will redirect back to Whautomate platform. And hopefully, if your account is already active and the KYC verification is all done, it should be seamless and straightforward. If not, you will have to submit documents and other steps that you will have to do outside of Whautomate platform directly with Razorpay as such. As soon as everything is done, you're good to go. You can start using Whautomate platform and Razorpay integration. One of the use cases sending invoices. I'll quickly show an example of invoices. So under finance, we've got invoices. Let's quickly create an invoice and see how it looks. I am gonna quickly select this, and I can add discounts 90%, and I can directly send the payment link to WhatsApp. Let's try that. Save and send. It is actually done. Let's look at our WhatsApp as well. We have received our invoice with a payment link as well. Let's check if Razorpay is actually working. Yeah, it is working. So it is also giving you all the different payment options as well. Since I've already logged in, it is actually using my account details by default. Yeah, so it works. As soon as you complete the payment, you should see the payment successful as well. Okay, it is processing. I am waiting for the OTP. Okay, now that I've received the OTP, let's try verifying the payment. And if everything went good, and I have received the payment successful on our payment link as well. The good thing about Whautomate's payment link is it automatically generates the invoice, and you can quickly see your payment details as well on the invoice with all the tax information that we just it is pretty easy and straightforward to connect your Razorpay account to Whautomate platform and start accepting payments instantly directly from our platform, or you can get your customers to purchase something directly on WhatsApp as a channel and get payments instantly. If you want to sign up for a free trial, go to whautomate.com. The link is in the description. You have 7 days of free trial to try out all the features within Whautomate platform as such. Thank you.